Want to know what it would be like to rope drop Slinky Dog Dash without Genie Plus? Are we committing a terrible mistake? Probably. But we'll do it so you don't have to. From Hollywood Studios, we are here to rope drop and see how long it would take us to ride the two most popular rides in the park, Slinky Dog Dash and Star Wars Rise of the Resistance. It's 8:12 in the morning and folks who have early park admission can already enter the park, but the rides won't open up for them till 8:30 in the morning. For us who do not have early park admission, we'll have to wait till 9 a.m. to even enter the park. So we're here early to wait in line. Once you get past your security, most of the hotel guests will be entering already. Non-resort guests will line up all the way to the right. I suggest that you wait to the left of the crowd because they start to make separate lines and they pull from the left in order to put you in the front. I stood there watching the line attendants like a hawk because once they opened up a second line, this is where I want it to be. And that's why you pay attention. It's now 8:35. We are at the rope. And we'll have to wait probably to about 5 minutes before 9 o'clock to enter. It's a lot of hotel guests already entering the park. So us doing Slinky Dog Dash first thing in the morning, I'm nervous. Time is now 8:39 and Slinky Dog Dash is already at a 60-minute wait. So by the time we get there at 9 a.m., who knows what the posted time is going to be, but I have a feeling that we're going to wait less than the posted time. Just so you know how bad the line gets, it's 8:41 right now, and I'm going to try to give you a look at it. And there's already two separate sections that are already filled like this. A lot of times they'll start filling in the sections as time goes. So if you are stuck in a long line, try to stay on the left side. So Genie Plus today was $24 per person. For me and my family of four, it would have been over $100 if you include tax in it. So just so that you get an idea on whether or not it's worth it for you and your family. I always say if you can afford it, absolutely go for it. But if you have time, patience, and if you just really can't afford it, or you want to save the money for something else, then there's other ways. We're standing and in the park at exactly 9 a.m. We were right at the rope, so we got in as early as we possibly could as non-resort guests. We're gonna head over to Slinky Dog Dash. Today, Rise of the Resistance is having a delayed start, so that may mean that we're gonna have to wait in a longer line. Last I checked, Slinky Dog Dash was at a 75-minute wait. I imagine that by the time we get over there, it's gonna be 90 minutes still. Once you hit the Chinese theater, you wanna head on over to the right if you wanna go to Toy Story Land. We just got to the end of the line for Slinky Dog Dash, and as you can see, 110-minute wait time. It is now 9:05 exactly. Let's see how long we actually have to wait. This queue is infamous for being very sunny and not having a lot of shade, but they did provide these umbrellas at the end of the line, so that's nice. Another reason why we chose this ride first is because obviously the morning is not as hot as in the afternoon, so if you're gonna wait, might as well wait in the morning. Just like everything else in this land, everything in this queue seems giant because you are now shrunken down to the size of one of Andy's toys. Alright, it's 10:10 in the morning and we're about to get on our Slinky Dog. So actual wait time was 65 minutes. Not too bad. Slinky Dog Dash is one of the most fun rides at Disney World. The ride car is designed to look like Slinky Dog from the Toy Story movies. This ride makes you feel like you're a toy racing through Andy's backyard. You'll zoom up and down hills, twist around turns, and even do a few drops, but it's definitely not too scary. It's a great ride for kids and family who enjoy a bit of excitement but don't want anything too intense. Just got out of Slinky Dog Dash. I can't tell you how much fun that ride is. It's so appropriate for the whole family, whether you have small kids that don't have a lot of experience in roller coasters or adults that are a little bit afraid. This is definitely a ride that they want to get on. Next up, we're gonna go ahead and wait in line on Rise of the Resistance to see how long we actually have to wait. Once you exit Slinky Dog Dash, you want to head to your right, where there is an entrance for Star Wars Galaxy's Edge. We are now entering Star Wars Galaxy's Edge, one of the most immersive lands in any theme park. Galaxy's Edge is home to 2 popular rides and a multitude of things that you can do. I would love to give you a full tour today, but today we mean business. We got to get in line for Rise of the Resistance. As we approach the entrance for Rise of the Resistance, the standby wait time is posted at 70 minutes. It is now 10:22 in the morning. Posted wait time is 70 minutes. Let's see how long we actually have to wait. This is actually our first time waiting in the regular queue. We normally purchase a lightning lane in order to experience Rise of the Resistance, just because we normally try to get as much done as we can in a day. Today, I decided to see what it would be like to do it first thing in the morning, well, after Slinky Dog Dash. So you get an idea of how long you would have to wait if you decided to do that. Like many other Disney World attractions, Rise of the Resistance has a beautiful, well thought out, and immersive queue. It's nothing short of amazing, and it makes you feel like you're in a Star Wars movie. You'll walk through a hidden resistance base with cool details and interactive parts. It's designed to be comfortable with shaded and air-conditioned areas, and everything matches the Star Wars theme perfectly. Alright, we made it to the first pre-show. Posted wait time was 70 minutes. We actually waited 46 minutes. It's now 11:08. Not too bad.
Incoming transmission from Ray. BB-8, is everyone assembled? Good. The Resistance desperately needs your help in our fight against Kylo Ren.
I'm looking group of recruits. Well, no time to waste. Let's get you on your way to the General.
This ride is like none other. Once the pre-show starts, it's like an immersive experience. It's more than just a ride.
Black Leader, we're picking up an unusual signal. Are you spotting anything?
Yeah, I see it. We'll check it out.
Small craft heading our way. Raise the shields.
Company, first order TIE fighters. Cancel transport.
Come on, guys.
Single file line, be straight and narrow. Right. Stand on the line. Once again, any bags whatsoever, remove and hold on.
We'll take it from you.
You're needed on the bridge.
Stay back! It's okay. We're with the Resistance and we're the good guys. But we gotta get you out of here right away.
Lieutenant Beck will guide you. Recruitment's firm.
Authorized. Wait, those are the prisoners.
Now!
Sound the alarm! All personnel to their stations!
Sir, the prisoners have escaped.
How brave, but ultimately hopeless.
But hey, you're Resistance now. I think I have that authority. Right, Beck?
Just got off Rise of the Resistance. It's hard for me to put into words how good that experience is. It's not a ride, it's not an attraction, it's an experience. And it's one everybody should have. If you're here in Hollywood Studios, please do whatever you have to do. Wait in line, make it a priority, and get on Star Wars Rise of the Resistance. It's unlike any other attraction in the world. The reason I did this video this morning is so that you can see what it would be like if you chose to go to the two most popular rides first thing in the morning. I honestly thought it was going to be later than it is now, but it's 11:30. We got here at 9 a.m. So in 2 hours and a half, we ended up doing Slinky Dog and Rise of the Resistance, and walking in between and using the restroom and so on and so forth. This is going to be the first part of a 3-part series I'm going to do about rope dropping Hollywood Studios and the different methods that you can use without using Genie Plus. Here's a shot of the wait times for the rest of the day. If you were to knock out those 2 of the most popular rides early in the morning, you have plenty of time to get to the rest of the rides and enjoy some other activities in this park. Hollywood Studios is open to 9 p.m. tonight. We were done a little bit before 11:30. Wasn't too bad. If you found this video helpful today, consider giving us a like and a subscribe, and even share the video. Help spread these videos to a wider audience. For more fun videos and theme park tips, click here. That'll be all for us for today. Until next time, keep maximizing your fun.